I want to show you this very nice rose decorated Sadler teapot, 1950s, 1960s type of date range on this one. Rotated rib walling all around the wall, slightly bulbous base, nicely moulded handle with some relief details on the thumb knob at the top, and in very clean condition. Let's just show you over the lid here. Nice little, I don't know how to describe that lid handle really. It's like a pierced letter C with a bulbous top. I'm not sure what they were aiming for in that design, but it's very functional and nicely decorated. Clean interior with a vent hole. Let's have a look inside. You can see it has been used. There's some tannin staining behind the tea leaf strainers, but the fact that they're there gives you some indication of the age. But otherwise a very nice clean body inside this Sadler teapot. Nicely marked both with a Sadler banner and crown stamp and impressed Sadler England in relief moulding on the base. Round moulding, as you can see, coming up with these ribs, giving a little bit of scalloping around the upper rim on this one. The spout is very good. It's just got one fault on it, and this is this tiny little historic chip just here under the lid. Hardly visible when you're looking down onto the teapot. You do have to invert it to really get a view of that, but nonetheless a slight little bit of damage just on that spout will reduce the asking price and value of this teapot, but nonetheless functional and a very clean and nice pretty example of a 1960s Sadler 1.5 pint at estimate, maybe 2, but we're list it as a 1.5 pint, which is the sort of standard size for most English teapots. Thanks for watching.